Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're featuring the best dip powder nail starter kit you can get your hands on right now. The AZUREBEAUTY 31 PCs Dip Powder Nail Kit. Whether you're new to DIY manicures or already a nail art enthusiast, this kit packs everything you need to create long-lasting, salon-quality nails right at home. Let's dive right in. This kit isn't just a pretty box, it's a complete nail art solution. Inside, you'll find 20 skin tone-inspired dip powders ranging from glittery apricots to classic nudes, browns, pinks, whites, and soft grays. Each powder is 0.34 ounces, giving you plenty of material to work with over multiple sessions. Alongside the powders, you get a full dip nail liquid set including a base coat, top coat, activator, and brush saver. All also in 0.34 ounces bottles. What makes this kit stand out isn't just the quantity, it's the quality. AZUREBEAUTY's formula is known for being anti-chipping, anti-peel-off, and long-lasting. You're looking at wear that can last over 28 days with proper application. That's almost a month of flawless, glossy nails without the need to book a salon appointment. And here's something that makes it perfect for beginners. You don't need a UV or LED lamp. That's right, this dip powder system is air dry, which not only saves time but also avoids heat exposure and potential skin darkening. The application process is simple, smooth, and forgiving, even if it's your first try. Speaking of nail health, the formula is low odor and free from harsh ingredients, so it won't damage your nail beds. You'll also get a full set of professional manicure tools, a nail brush, cuticle pusher, file, 2 extra dip gel brushes, a polishing block, and a recycling tray to minimize product waste. One of the best parts? You're not limited to just 1 or 2 styles. With 20 base colors and over 15,000 potential shade combinations, you can create everything from a subtle everyday look to a bold, glittery French tip for special occasions. Think wedding-ready nails, party night glam, or just a polished, put-together look for your daily routine. And it doesn't stop at personal use. This kit makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's neatly packaged, thoughtfully curated, and stylish enough to impress any beauty lover. So, whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to ditch expensive salon visits, the AZUREBEAUTY Dip Powder Nail Kit is a no-brainer. High quality, easy to use, and packed with value. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're ready to transform your nail game, this might just be your perfect match. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hands-on reviews just like this. See you in the next video.